Hi, everyone. This is Beth Hedger with Ampersand Consulting. I'm principal for digital innovation. And right now, I want to share a few ideas to help you with your data integrity and maturity and share a couple of bits, bytes, and sparks. As a reminder, we're looking at the data portion of the 5 dimensions of product organizational maturity. So I'm going to give you 2 tools that can help you think about this a little bit more. So first, I want to remind you of a simple graph here. It is by no means complete, but it gives you an idea. Think about what is your product governance data flow. So you're going to have data coming from a variety of places. So that's the first part. It's not going to be processed. It's probably going to be a bit inconsistent. You'll need to take a look at it. Then in terms of an actual governance process, how does that data map against itself? Does it need to be cleaned and updated and put in a good form where you can compare across different data sets? And that's that next piece where you've created that standardized data where it's consistent, reliable, you can mine it for information and everyone understands terminology. Finally, now that you have a good data set, you want to figure out what your product insights are based on that. So what action can you take based on the data and what it's telling you? And I want to leave a little pithy statement from Mark Twain, something to keep in mind as you're considering out the importance of data, as everyone knows how important it is to product. He said, the data is like garbage. You'd better know what you're going to do with it before you collect it. So the governance is a real key piece in ensuring that you are appropriately understanding your data, gathering it, and making meaning out of it so that you can make good decisions as a product organization. Next up, I've put together a quick checklist. There's 10 items on here that can help you think about the status of your data. The idea is that you want to ultimately end up with impactful product decisions. To get there, your data needs to be in a really great state. So you want to aim for consistency, completeness, and timeliness. So a couple of ideas on here to consider. Do you have standard definitions for the key metrics that everyone is paying attention to? Where is all the data? Where is it located? Can you access it easily? And is there a place that you can bring it together and make it harmonized so that you can get the insights you want? Do you review periodically whether or not the data is giving you what you think it should and that there's not any anomalies showing up? Do you periodically go in and audit what the data is doing? And are you figuring out, are there things that are a problem with the consistency? Did something break? Do we need to go back and refresh some information? Is the data out of sync? And then finally, I think it's very important that you as a product organization become data interpreters extraordinaire. And to that point, make sure there's ongoing training and understanding about how to take the insights from the data. You can make data tell any story you want to. Be sure that you have the chops to be able to tell the story that you need to know. Thank you for stopping by with this quick little bit, bite, and spark. I'd love to continue the conversation. Here's my LinkedIn profile and my work email. Would love to assist if you have some questions around putting together a more data driven organization. Thank you.